Hi everybody, this is your boy Pete D coming to you once more with a very good video. Do you own a laptop or a tablet? And based on the kind of web pages that you open daily, it's actually slowed down your laptop. So in order to actually clear those off to be able to make the laptop actually move faster, there is this easier tips that makes things work pretty much. My laptop has been actually freezing on me these days, and yeah, it's been so hard. So before we get into it, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and hit the like button. Okay, thank you for subscribing. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing we need to know is that there are so many web pages with viruses everywhere, and to be able to make it work, you have to actually get rid of those hidden files. And to be able to make that work, you don't have to do much but actually clear off those files to make everything working like brand new as you got it the first time. So I'm using Windows 10. You gotta come here at the bottom right down here. Yeah. Then click on that. Then type run. RUN. Like that. Okay. Then this will just pop up. Go and click on that. Just one tap. And you good. Now it will bring this folder. The first thing to actually type will be percentage temp, TEMP, percentage. Then click OK or enter or anyhow you want it. Then it will open a folder like that. I just cleaned my this folder, so yours might be more or less, I don't know. Just hit Control A. It will highlight everything. Just hit the delete button like that. Then because I just cleaned mine, it has actually cleaned those already. So you click on this, check this box right here, and just skip on the ones that the laptop wouldn't want to delete. Then let it all go. When you are done, there is this second folder you gotta get rid of. So just like the first one, come right down here, type run RUN to bring this up. Just hit enter, and it will open that. Clean that percentage temp percentage, then just type prefetch, PREFETCH, prefetch. Hit enter, and it will open another folder like that. I didn't clean this one so you can actually see how many junk, or should I say bad files, I have on my laptop right now. And it slows down my laptop every time like that. That's like more than 100 files. So hit Control A, highlight everything, hit the delete button, then do exactly the same thing right here too. So that, then skip like that, so that to just clean everything and leaves the important files that the computer refuses to actually delete. And when you are done, you will see, try doing what you were trying to do before that, and you see that everything will just open very fast. I was trying to open my my internet browser, which is the one that comes with a laptop. It was quite being difficult because of the problems I was just having, the slowness of the laptop. So I can actually go and search what I was going to look for. I wanted to watch a movie, so yeah, watched like that, and it will actually open things faster now, you know, and load things quicker. So let's do Google, and you see that it takes just a second to just open, which is pretty cool. So yeah, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll call Chucky on your ass. Chucky will be in your room tonight if you don't subscribe. Bye bye.